Toyota GR86 is all about delivering maximum fun around every corner. With its lightweight design and rear-wheel drive layout, this energetic sports car is all about driving enjoyment. For 2024, GR86 taps into Toyota's storied performance heritage with the Trueno Edition. This new model pays tribute to the 40-year anniversary of the launch of the 1984 to 1987 Corolla GTS liftback, or Sprinter Trueno as it's known in Japan. Plus, the new performance package amplifies GR86's thrilling drive even further thanks to enhanced handling and braking. With that said, it's time to take a deep dive and find out more about this fun-to-drive machine. GR86 is all about agility and control, resulting in a sports car that exudes pure joy on every drive. This starts with standard McPherson strut front and multi-link rear suspension with GR circuit-tuned coil springs, shock absorbers, and a rear suspension member-mounted stabilizer bar, all of which contribute to GR86's razor-sharp handling. Together with the GR circuit-tuned electronic power steering system and power-assisted steering rack, the level of exhilaration goes up to new heights, all while amplifying the connection between the car and the driver. For 2024, the performance package is now available on the base and premium grades and comes standard on the Trueno Edition. This includes ZF Sachs dampers, sharpening GR86's handling even further, and Brembo brakes for enhanced stopping power. Complementing the finely tuned performance suspension is a high-revving 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Thanks to its boxer design, this engine is mounted low within the engine bay, resulting in a lower center of gravity and improved handling. All of that power goes to the rear wheels through either an available 6-speed manual transmission for optimum driver control, or an available 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters and intelligent dynamic rev management. On top of that, a standard Torsen limited-slip rear differential ensures all that power is put to good use, while the vehicle stability control system with the selectable track mode gives the driver added control of GR86's handling capabilities. A sleek and sporty exterior design helps GR86 stand out. This starts with standard LED headlights for an aggressive, stylish look, and functional air vents in the front wheel arches, making this coupe as purposeful as it is stylish. The premium grade enhances GR86's appearance with its standard 18-inch alloy wheels finished in matte black and wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4 summer tires that enhance grip and handling precision. For 2024, GR86 Trueno Edition takes the premium grade to new heights thanks to its throwback design. Available in either halo or track-bred exterior colors, this limited-run vehicle sports a black-wrapped hood, a black Trueno side panel graphic, Trueno Edition badges, black painted door handles, and black metallic finished 18-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels. The result? A stylish sports coupe that's just as fun to look at as it is to drive. Stepping inside the cabin, it's clear that GR86 is all about the driving experience. This is most evident with its supportive sport front seats, which can be finished in fabric or a combination of ultra suede and leather trim. And for chilly days, available heated front seats bring added comfort when the temperature drops. The Trueno Edition style enhancements also expand into the interior with the Trueno Edition logo on the shift knob and floor mats, red-stitched shift boot, and leather-wrapped steering wheel, as well as ultra suede trimmed sport seats with red leather inserts, allowing this head turner to grab even more attention. When it comes to tech, GR86 Audio delivers thanks to a standard 8-inch touchscreen with standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin and even more on the SiriusXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Every grade also includes a 1-year trial subscription to Safety Connect, Service Connect, and Remote Connect. Premium and Trueno Edition further enhance the audio multimedia experience with an 8-speaker premium audio system, enabling owners to play their favorite driving playlists in high fidelity. Finally, a standard 7-inch reconfigurable LCD multi-information display keeps crucial driving information in the driver's line of sight. GR86 puts as much focus on fun as it does on safety. For 2024, the GR86 Active Safety Suite comes standard. This includes the pre-collision system, lane departure warning with sway warning, automatic high beams, adaptive cruise control, and lead vehicle start alert. Models equipped with an automatic transmission also include pre-collision throttle management as part of GR86 Active Safety Suite. Premium and Trueno Edition also include blind spot detection and available rear parking sonar with reverse automatic braking on automatic transmission-equipped models, giving the driver an extra layer of convenience on the road. There's no denying that GR86 is a blast to drive. Thanks to its rear-wheel drive dynamics and incredible handling, this sports coupe brings plenty of excitement from behind the wheel, all while paying tribute to Toyota's sports car heritage. Moreover, every GR86 comes with Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, and 2 years unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance, elevating its value to new heights. On top of that, all grades come with a complimentary 1-year membership to the National Autosport Association, which includes 1 free high-performance driving experience. Take these factors together, and it's clear that GR86 is a desirable sports car that delivers the thrills for even the most demanding of drivers. Visit toyota.com/GR86 to learn more.